I made it to the airport. My hair is done and I'm very, very tired. Okay, let me go pee and then I will talk to you. Oh my god, I almost lost this. This trip is just fall into my lap. Okay, I did not plan this. I was just like, I didn't get my hair done, my nails is I'm just a mess. I'm just at home. It's about 9 o'clock. A friend of mine said, hey, like I'm in Madagascar. We have a boat, we're going, and one person canceled. So if you want, it's once in a lifetime opportunity, come and join. I said, hell yeah. But here's the thing, I don't like closed spaces. In a sense, like I am a bird and I like to move, and that doesn't make me want to move. I mean, it's not that I don't want to move, but it's closed. What I'm trying to say is, like, for example, I can never live in Andorra because there is no airport. I am the type of person that if I want to go, if I want to leave, I want to be able to get up and go. But so for that reason, I can never live in a place where there's no airport. For the same reason, I don't like being on a boat for a long period of time, because that means that I have to be on the boat for a long time. So now that's what I will be doing. I'll be sailing on a boat for an entire week. Wish me luck. Oh my god. So I just woke up. Well, I didn't sleep. Literally, I did not sleep. I got my flight last night. I did my hair all night, and here I am now in the airport trying to catch my flight. I did not realize this many people go to Madagascar from Addis every day. Look at this, it's full plane, super packed, and many Chinese, huh? It's very surprising. Yeah, but full. Look, that's my flight. I never saw like this. Interesting, because it's short, yeah? We did a good job, yeah? Understood each other with nothing, but we got it done. We've got a pretty nail now. There we go.
You like?
Just finished getting my nails done. So here's the airport. And then this is where I got my nails done. Bye bye! So I've managed to do my nails. I got a manicure and pedicure. I also changed the money. The only thing I have left now to do is get myself a SIM card. But the SIM card place is in the international flights, and now I'm in the domestic one because my domestic flight is in now in 20 minutes. So I'm not gonna risk it to go get that. I'll just get it on my next stop, and I'll just use the internet here in the airport. But yeah, to do my nails, the lady was already busy, so like I came right outside of the airport, and outside I found, hello cutie pie, hi honey, hi, look how cutie. I had a little buddy to come say hello to me. So yeah, inside the big airport there is a spa, but on the national one there isn't. So like I went outside. So when I went, I found this the lady who worked here helped me. She took me all the way outside there, and when we arrived there was already a client. Hey cutie pie. There was already a client, but if I waited for her to finish, then I wouldn't have enough time. So what I did was I paid for her pedicure, for her manicure, and then she stepped away, and then they did my nails. The lady did my nails and toes. So I got my manicure and pedicure done. Now that we have that out of the way, I also changed money in the airport. The only thing I have left to do is buy a SIM card, and I will do that in Tuller, the place I'm going next. That's what I will do. This is the Madagascar's domestic flight. Looks like domestic airport looks like. You know, my idea was this month just to take it easy. Not this month, but at least for my hair, because I lost so much hair. So I was going to just leave my hair out naturally without braiding it, without doing anything to it. And I was also going to leave my nail salon for some time because I have a wedding in July 19 in Kenya. So until then, I was just going to leave everything alone. But God had other plans, and my friends were like, hey, here's an opportunity. Why don't you come on over? And I said, hell yeah. So the hair was done last night, and then the nails now, and the rest of the things I will do on the boat. Last night I forgot to film anything because I was so tired, but I got to the restaurant where everybody is, had dinner, we went to a place to have like a drink or something, and then we came to the boat, and I just woke up. So the bed, let me give you a proper tour of my room, okay? So ta-da, this is it. That's my bed. I've got another bed. If I want, I can sleep this way and that way. I have a really nice window. Look at that, very cute. And that's it. I put my luggage in there, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I am still a little bit tired, but I will show you the whole boat in another video. Okay, bye.